Hello, my name is Rafael Del Rey, and I want to welcome you to Nano Dimension booth in Electronica 2024, where we are showcasing on electronic manufacturing 4.0, like this circuit board, which is entirely 3D printed. And this happens entirely by this machine, the DragonFly IV. DragonFly IV is a two-material 3D printer for electronics, which has a silver conductive nanoparticles material, along with an acrylic dielectric that can create 1 micron layers in order to make a composition of a circuit board that can be multi-layer HDI. And of course, after manufacturing the circuit board with this 3D printer, it needs to be assembled. And my colleague Frank from Essemtec can show you how we do it here in Nano Dimension with our technologies.
Thanks, Rafael. So after getting this full PCB, we can show you now how we can mount component onto it. Follow me. After receiving this PCB from Rafael, which has been done with the DragonFly, now we can show you how we can mount component onto it. This Fox all-in-one platform will combine several steps, which is the unique proposition of Essemtec, by applying the solder paste using the solder paste jet printing technology with a speed of 260 thousandths an hour, followed by an inspection, integrated inspection to make sure that the dispensing has been done properly, and then followed by pick and place. This machine can manage basically very small components from 008, 004 component up to 120 millimeter large component. Therefore, the last step will be also another inspection to make sure the placement has been done properly. This Fox all-in-one has a super compact footprint, about 1 square meter, with a great capacity of different feeding solutions, from reels up to 120 different millimeter reels, with depth strip, also JEDEC trays. Basically, it represents the best solution in the market today to address NPI prototyping solutions that you may need.